Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like concrete. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. But still don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Sing it.
Don't ever bother me anyway.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem strong. And the fears that once control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and make them new. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I want the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I say, and here I say, let the storm rage on. Come on. My power flurries through the air and to the ground. My soul is spiraling and frozen sparked all around. The warmth of crystallizes like an icy love. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go. Come on, sing with me. Let it go. Can't hold it back. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away. Turn away. Slam that door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on.
Don't ever bother me anyway.
That sucked, that part. Girls, you have to show them how to do it. They didn't